Hey guys, welcome to Homework Codes. In this video, we're going to see something about the data types available in Python. And before starting, I just want to tell you that in Python, the data type will be determined during the runtime. For example, I'm declaring a variable here. Variable 1 is equal to 20. And I can declare it like variable 1 is equal to my name. So here, when you click on this run button, then only the Python will determine this is of type number and this is of type string. Okay, fine. Now I have declared a variable and the value for variable 1 is like 20. So if I want to print it, I just want to write print var1, save and execute it. So it got printed here. And I'm going to declare another variable, variable 2 equal to 30. I'm going to print it. So, and we'll try to add these two numbers and print the result. Print var1 and just put plus var2. That's it. And if you click on the run button, 20, 30 and 20 plus 30 is equal to 50. So in the previous example, we have hard-coded the values, right? Variable 1 and variable 2. So now we'll get the values runtime and we'll try to add it. 1 is equal to int, and then inside which we need to put input enter number 1. Variable 2 is equal to int input enter number 2, and we'll print it where 1 plus variable 2. Save it. I will execute now. So enter number 1. It is asking for the number 1. So I'm giving 28. So the number 2, 10. So then the next line should be like 28 plus 10. Should be 38. 38 got printed. So this is how we need to get values at runtime. And one more thing, like we have given int here, right? Int of and then input enter number 1 and all. So if you're not going to give this int, what will happen? So let's try that too. Variable 1 is equal to input enter number 1. Input enter number 2, and then we'll print this value. I'm adding 12, sorry, here 12, again 12. So it will be like the result will be like 12 12, because it will be considered as string if you're not giving int of. So here we are specifying like this input values of type integer. So that's why we are giving int of. Now it's 20. It will be 20. Yes. Now we'll go to the type string. So I'm going to declare variable 1 is equal to, inside double quotes, my name. So and then variable 2 is equal to double quotes your name, and then variable 3 is equal to, and now I'm going to use single quotes here. Inside single quotes I'm going to put their name. So what will happen if I print all these three? Print let me run it. So here my name got printed here, and your name got printed, and their name as well. So in Python, the double quotes and single quotes will be treated as the same. We can use single quotes or double quotes. Now we'll see the data type list. Okay, I'm declaring a variable first list is equal to, we need to specify the values inside square bracket. First value, second value, third value. We can print it here. Print of first list. So we are getting all these values printed here, right? First value, second value, and third value. We can update the existing value. Okay, we'll update the existing value. For that, we need to specify it like first list of 0 is equal to, I'm going to change it as homework quotes. Homework quotes. I'm printing it here. So now like it is getting displayed like first value, second value, and third value, right? So after this line, the list value like this first value will get changed to like homework quotes. I'm executing it. See, so in the first line we are getting first value, second value, and third value. So this line is getting printed in this print line. And again, we are changing the value like the first value to homework quotes. And in this line, actually, we are getting homework quotes, second value, and third value. Even we can delete values from the list. So we can do it like del, delete first list of 0. So which means like we are deleting the first value, which is homework quotes, from this list. So if we print it, only 2 values will get printed in the list. See, this is the first line, and this is the second one where we have changed the first value to homework quotes, and we're deleting the 0th position value, and it is deleted, and the remaining values like second value and third value is getting printed here. And the next data type is tuple. Tuple is like, it is same like, the list, but the only difference is like we cannot delete or we cannot update the values in tuple. So that's the only difference between tuple and list. So now we'll declare tuple here. First tuple is equal to, for tuple we need to use this bracket. First value, second value, And third value, I'm going to give some number, 2000. Let me print it. Print first tuple. So what will happen? It should print these three values, right? Yes, first value, second value, and then the third value, 2000 got printed. Okay, we'll try to delete and update and check what's going to happen. Delete first tuple of 0. It'll throw some error. See, tuple object doesn't support item deletion. It is not supporting deletion. I will try to change the value. First tuple of 0 is equal to my value. And we'll print it. See, tuple object doesn't support item assignment. And the next data type is dictionary. So in dictionary, we store data in the form of key and value pairs. We'll check it now. So I'm going to write first dictionary. First dictionary is equal to, so it should be inside parentheses. For example, I'm going to give name, and this is the key, and the value is like homework quotes. So, and then I'm going to give another data is like country, India. So now we have written a dictionary, so we'll try to access the values. First we'll print the entire thing here. Print first dictionary. Saving it. If I execute, it should print the entire content here. Yes, we got name, homework codes, country, India, right? Now we'll try to access values by the name. Print of, within double quotes or single quotes, you can use any. I'm going to give name. So we got homework codes. And if I change it to country, we'll print India. This printing India. Okay, we'll check whether it is accepting single quotes or not. Okay, I've changed it to single quotes. It is supporting single quotes too.